Hey everybody, so I just got my Persona. I just got my BTS albums from Choice, and I'm gonna open them. I'm so excited. I was actually at Coachella when this album dropped, and I woke up at 2 in the morning and just listened to the album while my friends were sleeping. I was just like crying in our tent. I actually get to go to the concert in 2 weeks. I'm going to both LA shows, so that's exciting. And honestly, I'm probably gonna buy another album because I'm a crackhead. I know when you order from Choice, there's like this whole thing that you always end up with your bias. My bias is Yoongi, so I'm hoping I get Yoongi. I've never pulled a Yoongi card, never in my life. Wow, they're so pink. Wow. So pretty. Okay. Look at all the freebies they give first. Cute. Wow, lots of bubble wrap. I appreciate it. Oh, cute. Wow. That's cute. That's so cute. And this is the back. Wow, we stand Choice music in this house. Oh, stickers. These Jimin stickers. Yes. Wow. Oops. Wow. Beautiful. Amazing. Talented. Wow. Wow. Beautiful. Amazing. Wow. I haven't seen a single Yoongi freebie yet. Maybe it's in this one. Jungkook. There he is. Here's my Yoongi. Awesome. Fantastic. I'm happy. Oops. Oh no. Stay. It's okay. Alright, now for the good stuff. Okay, here we go. I bought one Persona album from Target on my way home from Coachella. I was like, y'all, I gotta stop at Target. I gotta do this real quick. So I got version 4. I ended up with Taehyung's card and Jimin's little postcard thing. It was fantastic. That was beautiful. Should I start with 2, 3, 4? I guess I'll start with 1. I think 1 is my favorite concept of all the photos. I think, yeah, that one's my favorite. Oh, wait. Oh. Okay, here we go. This is also my favorite shade of pink. It's such a pretty color. Oh no, I can't get this off. Also, can we just discuss how, like, nice and smooth these albums feel? They just feel, like, so soft. Okay, here we go. I apologize in advance. If I get Yoongi, I'm crying. Okay. Okay, I think that's everything. Oh, what's this? Beautiful. Okay, here we go. Oh, I got Jimin again. Cute. Okay. Oh, it's Jin. It's Jin. Cute. Oh, and the photo strip. I know I have 2 of these. I have 2 of these. Does all the albums come with one of these, or is it just from the first wave of albums out? Does that make sense? I don't know. Wow, beautiful, amazing, talented. We stan. Oh, I love this. This is so pretty. I cannot get this open. Does anybody know if like that clear picket thing, was it supposed to come inside the album or was it supposed to come, like if you pre-ordered it from Choice? I know that one little photo card holder thing was supposed to come as a pre-order gift if you ordered from Big Hit, I mean, not Choice. The clear photo picket theme jig. How do we get those? Here we go. This is version 2. Version 2. So pretty. So soft. Okay. It's like, where's my photo cards? There. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Okay, now I just need his photo card and all will be well. Okay. Yes, this is my first Yoongi photo card. Oh my god, double Yoongi. God is real. God is Yoongi. I'm so sorry if that offended anybody. Please don't hate me for that. Wow. Oh my god, these are being framed. I'm framing these. Those are fantastic. Those deserve a museum. Wow. I'm so happy. It's my first Yoongi photo card that I've ever pulled. Finally. That was my first Jin photo card too. Wow. We stand Choice Music. God bless America. Okay, here's version 3. Okay. Okay. Version 3, also so pretty. This is also a nice, pretty shade of pink. Wow. So pretty. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh, here we go. Okay. It is. Oh, look, it's Namjoon. Oh, he looks so cute and cuddly. Oh, so cute. All right, where's my photo card? Excuse me. This is Jin. Yes. Okay. Wow. Beautiful. Oh gosh, I love this. This feels like Christmas morning. Wow. Okay. I can't wait to buy like 4 more albums. Just kidding. I don't have the money for that. Okay, here I am. My last album. Okay. Here's version 4. Excuse me. Thank you. Here's version. Oh, she's coming out. All right, here's version. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, I see the photo card. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's Jin. Oh, so cute. Wow, I have a lot of Jin. And maybe Jin is telling me that I need to switch my bias. Oh! Psych, I'm never switching my bias. Oh, he's so pretty. Okay. That was everything. Okay, wait, I'll go show you guys the other photo cards that I got. Oh my goodness. Okay, I got version 4 again when I went on my way home from Coachella. I had to get it, like I was shaking. I could not live without it. Oh yeah, and from Choice I didn't get any of the posters because it was extra money, so I didn't want to spend it. But, where Where are they? Oh, beautiful, amazing. I got, ooh, excuse me. I got this little postcard, Jimin, and I got, wow, would you look at that? Look at him. Amazing. Amazing. And I got the photo strip in all of them. I guess the photo strip comes with all of the albums? I don't know. Anyway, oh gosh, that was wild. That was a trip. I can't wait to frame all of these. These are all getting, they're all getting framed in the museum, in my room. My room is a museum. Thank you so much for watching this. I apologize if I was annoying. Stan BTS, stream Persona, #boy with love. Yep. Okay, thank you. Bye.